Hello everyone. Today I'd like to contribute an exciting upgrade to the Figma AutoName plugin. Figma AutoName is a TensorFlow-based free plugin that liberates both developers and designers from the hassle of dealing with complex names like frame, blah blah, or group blah blah blah. Well, over the past few months, I've been using this plugin extensively and conducting interviews with, many designer and developer users. They all enjoyed this fantastic free plugin. Intriguing, but highlighted two crucial points that were still, lacking. Firstly, they emphasized the need for customization to make the plugin work specifically for them, rather than simply detecting, general UI elements. For instance, designers using the material design system wanted the names to align with the terminology of that system rather than being renamed according to a different design system. The second point was that while the plugin appeared to be a neat tool for tidying up Figma's left panel, they didn't feel a strong motivation to use it in their real-world workflow. Based on this feedback, I've decided to contribute to address these user needs and take a step further. Firstly, I have been working on implementing a feature that automatically extracts dummy data from component sets using Figma's plugin API and various technologies. Additionally, I've been experimenting with custom ML model training, aiming to make it, it's incredibly easy for anyone to create AI models tailored to their specific design system with just 1 or 2 clicks. If the experiments prove successful, I'll contribute this feature to the community along with guides and code to enable, effortless web AI model creation. After custom model training, the plugin now renames frames according to the trained design systems terminologies. But I didn't stop there though. I've taken it a step further by incorporating a magical transformation into Figma's right panel. This enhancement aims to seamlessly enhance the user experience, especially for developers. Thanks to Figma Dev Mode, developers now have access to the data generated during the AutoName process in the right panel. This means that even when designers detached components due to, minor edits or unavoidable reasons, developers can still harness the power of the design system with the assistance of AI power. Now, the Figma AutoName plugin not only automatically organizes the designer's left panel based on a customized design system, but also provides very useful information to the right panel of dev mode. Is it cool, huh? Figma AutoName remains committed to a serverless, cost-free approach and continues to focus on bringing AI power into the world of design systems to boost our productivity. This plugin still relies on the support of the open source community and eagerly awaits your involvement. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to your contributions to this exciting project.